Alright, what's going on, folks? Mark, Dlux Motorsports. Super excited to bring you this new 2016 Chevy Silverado High Country. I'm not going to go over all the upgrades on the video. If you go to my website direct, www.dlux-motorsports.com, you can see the full list of upgrades. Also about 40 to 50 pictures. This video is brought to you by YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed, in the bottom right corner, hit the subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification, which allows you to see these videos when we first post them. Some of these trucks I sell extremely quick, and I do sell via YouTube, so definitely make sure that you turn those notifications on in case this may be a truck that you want. You at least have a first chance to be able to buy it. So again, this is a 2016 High Country. It is lifted on a Mcgaughy's kit. It's currently running 22 by 14 hostiles on a set of 40 Toyo Open Country MTs. This truck is about as immaculate as you can get for a 2016. It's right at 40,000 miles. You got a couple small rock chips on the front bumper. We're gonna touch those up once the touch-up paint comes in from GM. But other than that, the body lines, everything else about the truck screams new. The interior is immaculate. Beautiful, beautiful condition. This truck's fully loaded. It's got factory nav and also factory DVD in the rear. I will tell you, this is probably one of my favorite trucks. I've literally have contemplated on keeping this truck and selling my black one. My black Denali, it's on my website. Still knee deep in rubber. It's got tons of tread left. This truck was only built a year ago. This truck originated out of the state of Texas. You can see the frame, jet black. I'm gonna give you some shots of the interior. Carpets are still immaculate. Driver's seat, very minimal wear. TV, DVD, factory nav, heated seats, cooled seats, factory exhaust brake, power everything, obviously. It does have a kick-ass stereo system. If you're not a stereo system guy, I will be glad to take that out. And you can see the leather is basically almost brand new. So again, if you look down the paint, it's crazy. There's barely any rock chips anywhere on the sides of it at all. I think the fender flares have saved it for the most part. You can see how glossy the paint is. No bumper damage, no bumper damage. Color match bumpers, front and rear. MBRP exhaust. Obviously the truck's fully deleted. So again, if you're in the market for a 2016 Chevrolet High Country, this truck doesn't get much better than that. A gorgeous truck. If you got any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. Again, follow us on our YouTube channel. Just click that subscribe button in the bottom right corner. And then you can also follow us on Instagram, Dlux_Motorsports. Over 20,000 in recent upgrades last year. And you can buy this truck for a fraction of what it would cost to build it and buy the truck itself. But if you need to see any more videos or anything specific, definitely give us a call, 540-898-1300. We ship a lot of this stuff out of state, so we can easily send you anything and everything you may need to make your purchase a little easier from being out of state. Anyway, Mark Lux, Dlux Motorsports. My pleasure bringing you another beautiful High Country 2500 Duramax. Any questions, hit us up, leave comments, like and subscribe. Let's go.